Imagine yourself in this 2010 Holden Commodore. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Call today to schedule a test drive.